Look up, Bubba. Look up. Turn around and look at them, Daniel.
That's the ones I like. Busy.
It's okay.
He's acting like
I think he's scared. You want to come sit with Mommy? You want to come sit with me? Come here.
Oh, yeah.
It's okay. It's okay. I know it makes big noise. It's fireworks.
That was cool.
I'm
definitely
better. My fucking lighter.
Ooh. Cool. Ooh. Awesome.
Careful, you're pulling on my board. Okay. Might not have been a good thing. My neck's starting to hurt.
Yeah. I think we've been better off that way.
I know, I love those.
Hey, that was cool.
Yes, it was. Ooh.
I'm a fourth of
Ooh.
What is that screaming? Oh, I'm down!
Ow.
Huh?
Ooh.
Just a second.
Mm. Oh, turn around.
Okay.
Come on.
That's pretty fucking cool.
Would you please sit still and quit wiggling all over my lap? That hurts. Mm. Ah.
Where's that one going?
Ah.
Definitely ready for that. What did I do?
Fireworks.
Oh, cool.
Oh. Purple.
I hope Mason is at least getting to see it.
I hope so too. He didn't have to go do that. I was just like in pain and stressed out. Ah. Ow! Daniel, stop.
I guess backfire.
Mm. Boom.
I don't like that.
I don't either. Isn't this awesome? Yeah, it sure seems like it.
Hey, Mama.
Yeah.
That's you.
Huh?
You did.
Oh, yeah. I figured the kids would want to see it on video later on, so.
Yeah, but I can see it a hell of a lot better with these on than I can without.
See, I honestly thought it was safer when they used to shoot them off. Oh, on the opposite side of the lake, and everybody would sit on the other side when they were shooting it off.
I want to get my.
Ooh, that one was pretty.
Yay!
Bumblebee.
Ooh, I love those crackly ones.
Dude, that sounded like a fucking cannon.
Ooh. Pretty. Well, there's still more. Look up.
Next.
Oh, I know, mine too.
You like it, Tank?
It's magic, Maddie.
It's pretty.
It's magic. Mm-hmm.
It's magic. Because it's great. That land is super weird. That's magic. That is definitely magic.
A lot of shooting stars.
Mm-hmm.
That's fire. That part does win. Amazing.
Yeah, it does.
So pretty.
Go find my damn husband.
Give me a fright.
Oh. Yeah, he didn't have to go do that.
Well, I think they closed the kitchen during the party.
Yeah, they probably did. He's probably standing there watching them. I just couldn't stand there forever. I knew I wouldn't be able to. Is that awesome or what?
Now you're gonna have to sit still if you're gonna sit there.
Daniel's acting like that straw he's got is a magic wand now. Do you have a magic wand?
Can I use the magic one?
Let him have it back. It was his first. You got a magic wand? Is that a magic wand?
Can I choose?
I know, right?
That's really what from over everybody.
Yep.
This is the first time I've been out here.
Sit still.
Yeah, I'm in severe pain now after Daniel was on my lap, wiggling all over the place.
Thanks for having me. I have to put my head down, that's all it is.
Mm.
Man, it's getting a little stiff. And to think I practiced my oozing on.
Pretty. Oh, I love the purpley sparkly one. The blue sparkly one. That was my favorite one. Oh, that one was awesome. Hey, watch the fireworks. You can run around later. Uh-oh, Samuel fell down. Samuel! Samuel! You okay? Come here. Come here.
And Maddie knocked him down.
No, because they were running around like crazy. Well, you guys need to quit running around and watch it. You need to quit running around and watch this. Hey, stop. Watch the fireworks.
I told you to stop it.
Pretty. Maddie, what are you doing? Watch the fireworks. Fireworks.
That was a boom, wasn't it?
Yep. Maddie, stop. Are you a kitty cat?
I'm a kitten.
You're a kitten. No, you're a 1-year-old kitten. Okay.
Ouch. What's that?
It's a magic wand. That's their magic wand. Hi, Daniel. What are you doing? I love you too. No. No uppies right now. No uppies right now.
Hey, look.
Thank you.
Huh? Hold on.
You didn't have to do that, Jason. Thank you, though. I appreciate it.
Mama.
Maddie got one?
Yeah, I gave it to her. That's Daniel's.
Oh.
Jason, turn around. Yeehaw. You hear the fuck you.
Daniel turned a straw into a magic wand, and he's been making the fireworks
Oh,
happen.
shit. You need your card back.
Alright,
I got it.
Oh, yeah.
I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
When I got up there, there was still a guy in front of him.
Oh my god.
And then while he was, as soon as he ordered the burger, I ran over to the next place and ordered the hot dogs.
The dude was waiting for half an hour or more and had just then gotten up front.
Wow.
So like 35 minutes.
Yeah.
Could have had pizza in less time.
Right?
Oh, cool.
Ooh, that is awesome. Woo! Wow. Oh, whoa.
That's so cool. Look at
I know, I love this.
They got like a...
it. Like a, literally like a turret.
It
Yeah.
is. Wow.
Look, Maddie.
It's gonna go high.
Here, Tank.
He's enjoying. Yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah. And then they've been saying the different colors, and ooh, pretty.
And then when there's a big boom, Maddie goes, I wasn't expecting that.
Yeah, and a straw became a magic wand. Guess fireworks are magic, you know.
He's got fire food right now. He wants shit.
Nice.
Wow.